Today we will discuss about overview of 18th century drama, 1700-1800, and we will read about the rise of sentimental comedy and its features and decline of Restoration, comedy and his impact, and next domestic tragedy and his features, and last important playwright of the 18th century. Here we will start. The 18th century was a time of social change, moral reflection, and emerging middle-class influence, and drama evolved to reflect these changes. It shifted from the witty and often scandalous plays of the Restoration period to more moralistic, emotional, and realistic forms of drama. 1. Rise of sentimental comedy. Definition: a form of comedy that focused on moral themes and sentimental emotions. Instead of making people laugh at vice, like in Restoration comedy, it encouraged sympathy for virtuous but suffering characters. Features: emphasis on emotion and morality. Characters often face moral dilemmas but choose virtue. Plots are designed to produce tears, not laughter. Promoted idealized love, family values, and benevolence. Example: Richard Steele's The Conscious Lovers, 1722. A young man refuses a rich match for love, showing duty and compassion. 2. Decline of Restoration comedy. Context: Restoration comedies of the 17th century were criticized for being immoral, cynical, and sexually explicit. 18th century audiences, especially the rising middle class, demanded decency and respectability in theater. Impact: playwrights moved away from mocking virtue. They began promoting moral lessons and domestic harmony. 3. Domestic tragedy. Definition: tragedy that depicted the sufferings of ordinary people, especially the middle class, rather than kings or nobles. Features: focus on common life, family issues and moral failings. Characters suffer due to personal flaws or poor decisions. Taught moral lessons through emotional identification. Example: George Lillo's The London Merchant, 1731. A young apprentice is led astray, showing the dangers of vice. Important playwrights: Richard Steele. The Conscious Lovers, 1722. George Lillo. The London Merchant, 1731. Oliver Goldsmith. She Stoops to Conquer, 1773. Reaction against sentimental comedy. Richard Brinsley Sheridan. The Rivals, 1775. The School for Scandal, 1777. Revived wit and satire.